This is not financial advice. What's going on, investors? My name is Dayo. Welcome to Frunkla Investment. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the technical analysis of Bionano Genomics. And of course, there is an amazing news that I would love to share with you guys before we get to the technical analysis. But before I continue, please smash the like button and subscribe if this is your first time on this channel. Let's get to it. So Bionano Genomics is up about 1.03% today, closing at 7.86 US dollars. The market cap is more or less the same thing, like when the market opened, 2.1 billion US dollars, and the volume today was not really strong. Okay, I mean the volume today was just 13.6 million. So let's check out the news that I want to share with you guys. Then we can come back and talk about the technical analysis, see where the price is today, see what the price may be tomorrow, and what you guys should be expecting, because tomorrow is Friday. Let's get to it. Now, a big shout out to Messenger of Weill. He shared this with me, and of course with my fellow YouTuber as well. You guys can see Mr. Invest, the Full Bowl, and Auspicious Brandon. So this is something from Weill, I said Weill, God, German. Weill Cornell Medicine, okay. Weill Cornell Medicine launches 1.5 billion US dollars program to advance something. Let's check it out. So this is the news. Weill Cornell Medicine launches 1.5 billion US dollars program to advance medical research. Okay, this is a university that I believe is in New York. On Thursday, they announced that they have launched about 1.5 billion US dollars, research initiative to advance medicine through the use of new technologies and biomedical approaches. So you guys might be wondering, Dayo, how is this connected to Bionano Genomics? Just give me a minute. I'm going to explain to you guys. So the campaign, called We Are Changing Medicine, has already received commitments totaling 750 million US dollars from key donors. So while Cornell said the money will be used for a range of purposes, including the creation of a precision medicine program that will use genomics. So now we are talking, whenever you hear genomics, I mean, we are talking about Bionano Genomics, optical genome mapping, and of course, all the sequencing technology companies as well, like Illumina or Pac Bio, Oxford Nanopore, NanoString, or 10x Genomics. So it continues, data science and other technologies to evaluate the individual drivers of disease. Investment in regenerative medicine and cellular therapeutics research, meanwhile, will help accelerate the discovery of new treatments. The fund will be used, will also be used for investment in women's health and infectious disease research. The building of new facilities at the school, including an updated biomedical research facility and a student residence hall, and to support scholarships. Now, this is Jessica Bibliovich. I think this is some kind of European, some kind of Czech Republic or Polish name. Jessica Bibliovich. This is what she has to say about it. She's the chair lady, I believe, of the Weill Cornell Medicine Board of Fellows. So she said, I quote, "Innovation has always been a driving force for our institution, setting new standards for clinical care, research, and education that have made a lasting impact for patients around the world." Now she continues, "We are profoundly grateful to our incredible donors for sharing and supporting our healthcare ideals, because philanthropy is the engine by which we can realize transformational change." End quote. So this is a very, very beautiful news. I think I'm going to be following it up. Big shout out to Messenger of Moise, Brandon, for sharing this amazing news with us. So I mean, this is the kind of things we need, guys. I mean, philanthropies, donating money to medical research, and of course, this means this university, for example, whenever they are done with all this, their program, they can at least buy some Sapphire devices, or buy some device from Illumina as well, or from Pacific Bioscience of California for DNA sequencing, and of course optical genome mapping. So that is more or less all about this news. Now let's dive into the technical analysis of Bionano Genomics and see what we should be expecting tomorrow. Alright guys, this is going to be a very quick one. Today there was nothing, no big news today. You guys can see no press release, nothing. So today was more or less a quiet day. So let's check out the technical analysis of Bionano Genomics. Let's see what's happened today and what we should at least be expecting tomorrow. So this is the, let me switch over to the daily candlestick. Like always, you guys can see that, I mean, our support is still holding. Okay, this support right here is more or less still holding. So today we went as high as 8.12 US dollars today, and what happened, we just saw everything, came back down. More or less we lost half of the gain that we made, when the market opened, the first 2 hours of opening. So you guys can see that there is a yesterday I told you guys in the technical analysis video that this moving average right here, this is the 100 daily moving average, and you guys can see that it's, that is where we more or less where we bounced today. It's a very strong resistance. We need to break it. In my opinion, if we don't break it, it will keep pushing us down. Okay, I mean, we need to get out of this zone right here. There is a zone, you guys can see there's more or less a consolidation zone right here, and of course this is the zone that I drew last week, and that zone is still holding. So hopefully we are going to keep finding support around this level, and then price can bounce. After hours, it's not really looking bad. It's more or less stable. Okay, more or less the same time. I mean, 0.25% up. I mean, that is absolutely nothing. 2 cents up is nothing. So we just have to wait till tomorrow and see what's gonna happen. So now let's quickly take a look at the weekly candlesticks to see what is going on with Bionano Genomics. So you guys can see that on the weekly week, we also have a very strong moving average. The 21 weeks moving average is right here, and that is more or less where we have been, consolidating since last week. Okay, since last week we have hardly left this zone. So I believe next week we are going to be out of this zone, hopefully to the upside. Okay, because if this moving average pushes us down, I mean, we need to get out of this zone, guys. If this moving average, for example, keeps pushing us down, then we are coming back down to around this level, 5.6 US dollars, or because this is my support right here, and if that support breaks, that means we are coming down to this around this level, 5.57 US dollars. So guys, keep an open mind and stay positive. So hopefully everything is going to be fine. But of course tomorrow I'm going to try to come online, and we are going to see what's going to happen. Like today, I came online today live streaming immediately the market opened. I went live streaming, and I was sharing some other trades with my viewers, not only Bionano Genomics. We were talking about gold, oil, silver, AMD, for example, Tesla, for example. So you guys can feel free to join me tomorrow immediately the markets open. Tomorrow I'm going to be here live streaming, talking about the market, talking about any breaking news that has to do with investing, not only about Bionano Genomics. So that is all for today. I mean, everything looks good so far, and on the 1 hour you guys can see it's more or less a kind of consolidation zone. So we just have to bounce from this area, then the storm is over. So have a wonderful day, guys. I mean, this is all I have to share with you guys in this video. Please let me know what you're doing in the comment section, and please, I read all your comments, and please subscribe if this is your first time on this channel, guys, and please leave a like. Whenever you click on like, it helps the YouTube algorithm to pick up the video and share it with my fellow Bngo investors, or should I say my other subscribers. So I remain your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. Have a wonderful day, guys. Ciao, ciao.